Top 5 CB radio in 2017. Number 5. Galaxy DX950 40 channel AM, SSB mobile CB radio with frequency counter. Large, easy to read meter with scales for power output, incoming signal. 5-digit frequency counter with large yellow digits. Variable power output control. Variable talkback circuit with on, off switch. Automatic SWR circuit and an SWR alert LED, Roger beep with on, off switch. 3-position tone switch for receive. Please check the description for detail and prices. Number 4. Cobra 29LX 40 channel CB radio. Enormous multicolor display offers information on all radio functions. Can be set to one of 4 colors, and can be dimmed for night driving. Instant access and automatic scanning of 10 NOAA weather channels. Alerts you to severe weather conditions in your area. Use CB radio as a public address system with PA speaker. Multicolor display offers information on all radio functions. Please check the description for detail and prices. Number 3. Uniden Bearcat CB radio with sideband and weather band, 980 SSB. Stay connected on the road with this CB radio. Features weather band with alert. AM, SSB sideband capability. Seven-color selectable display. Includes noise-canceling microphone, mounting bracket, and power cord. Built-in signal and SWR meter. Please check the description for detail and prices. Number 2. Anytone at 5555 WAN. Frequency range 28.000 to 29.700 MHz. Programmable. Frequency control phase locked loop synthesizer. Microphone with push to talk up, GN and coiled cord. .5 kHz chlorophyller adjustment. Flexible MEN function in PC program software. Power supply voltage protection. Please check the description for detail and prices. Number 1. Uniden Pro 520XL 40 channel CB radio. Front mount microphone, 4W audio output. 40 channel mobile CB radio with super heterodyne circuit, phase lock loop. Automatic noise limiter and auto squelch to eliminate noise. Signal, RF meter, and LED indicators to monitor activity. Connect external speakers and use PA, CB switch. Front positioned microphone with extra long. Please check the description for detail and prices.